We're going to get breakfast right here at this Galaxy Burgers and Cerritos. Right now, it's like barely 11, somewhere right there. And then we're gonna go get to the apartment and get our keys and sign the lease. And then we can move in on the 1st. So I'm really excited, kind of nervous. But hopefully we go in the apartment so you guys can see. But yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back. I got home from work a little while ago. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know a secret. To let you guys know that we got our keys to our apartment today. We signed the agreement. We got the little remote thing to open the door so we can park. Hey guys, what day is it today? 31st January, and we're gonna finish packing whatever is left from our room. But Omar's being a lazy ass. And we'll get the fuck up. Are you tired? Are you tired?
Yeah, because I did everything.
Look at me and tell me you did everything.
I did.
No, you
mostly
didn't.
Everything.
I helped you. I did the whole closet.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Oh my gosh. It's gross. The room is empty now. That's my bed. Ew. That's my desk. That's where I used to film. Right there. I should right there. Hey guys, so it's Thursday, the 1st of February. The room where we used to stay at with my mom, with my parents, is empty. You can hear my echo now. Literally all empty. All I have in here is this desk and this little thing right here. Other than that, it's pretty much all empty. We were supposed to go take the mattress and stuff today because I told Omar that we can go take it, and turns out the truck that they let us borrow, it won't turn on. Tried jump starting the car and it still won't work. I'm not sure if it's the starter or the battery, but it just won't work, and now we're stranded. We're not stranded like in the street or anywhere. We're stranded literally in my mom's driveway because it won't turn on. And now we're screwed because if we wanted to stay here, we can't. The bed is already out. The TV is already out. Everything is out. So now I don't know what's gonna happen. Where I was staying at, these are the only two things that we have left to move. Other than that, it's pretty empty. The closet, there's still stuff that we have to take, but it's not like really important things. Yeah, this is how it looks now. It feels so weird to have this room empty because working. So where my filming thing is gonna be? This is my bed. There's a whole bunch of space. There's my closet. Still have to take out the shoes and the bags, and also the clothes. It's my restroom. With these LED lights though, really come in handy when I'm doing my makeup. And then, you know, the business stuff. But this is so far how it looks for now. And then the living room.